Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to remove text, logos, watermarks, or anything else from a video using artificial intelligence with a free application. The application has both a free and a paid version, but we will use the free version. I will leave the application link in the first pinned comment. The free version is sufficient, works without any problems, and is fast. Before we proceed with the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get to the explanation with God's blessings. First, my friend, download this application, the link to which you will find in the first pinned comment. If you see this icon, this is the paid version. We don't want the paid version, we only want the free version. Just click on the X icon here, then click on the X icon here. Do you want to remove text, watermarks, or logos from videos or images? That's what we're focusing on in today's video. We click on Select Video here. Then, we choose the video from which we want to remove the text and watermark. We click on it. Then select the video we want to remove the watermark from. For example, I'll select this video. After selecting the video, we'll find a check mark. We'll tap it like this. Now, my friend, all we have to do is select the watermark, image, icon, or logo we want to remove from the video. For example, I'll remove this name and this logo. When I tap the screen like this selection box will appear automatically. I'll shrink it and select the watermark or logo I want to remove. For example, I want to remove this watermark or this logo that appears here. The important thing is to select the watermark, logo, image, or clip you want to delete. After that, tap Save here. Then, choose the quality you want to save the video into your phone's gallery, 720p or 1080p, depending on what you want. Then, tap the check mark here. Now, as you can see, the process of removing the logo and saving the video to your phone's gallery is underway. We'll wait a little while for this application. It's free, my friend. I'll leave the free version in the first comment. We won't need the paid version. The free version is more than enough. Download it and use this application as much as you want. It's unlimited, as you can see. Now, the video has been saved successfully. Now, let's go to the video where we remove the text or watermark. This is the last video. As you can see, the logo, watermark, or anything else has been successfully removed without any problems and in a very impressive way. I hope you liked the video. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we'll meet again in a future video, God willing.